And oh wow, it's giving, dude. Anyways, that's so it's me, my motherfucking best friend. Best we'll get our nails did, you know. We'll show the ones that we did yesterday. So what are you getting done?
I'm getting my lashes done.
Okay, I'm getting my feet done, and after that I'm gonna do some more errands. That's the word. So okay.
Yeah, coffee after this.
And coffee, yeah.
So I can show off my new eyelashes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, bye guys, love you guys, bye. This is an old set. Show me your lashes. Yeah. Cute. Yes, so my good sis is finding her color.
Do you think that's my cheek?
I think that'll work for a concealer. 120, 120. It's a little, this is too light. 120. This could, it's a little, I don't like the lighting that we in either. You might have to get maybe 2 and mix it. Or 125 is in the middle. It could be 125. Oop, I didn't mean to hit you. That's better. Either 130 or 125.
Why is it so pink?
It is a little pink on your chin. I just want to show you how snatched I was, child. I'm doing this 8-hour waist trainer thing, so we're at Attica now, and I'm trying to find something to eat, y'all, because I'm on this 8-hour thing with my waist trainer. So I got one of these. This baby kale and hummus vegan wraps. These are really good. These are those girls. Oh, I could get a pesto chicken, sweet chili chicken. I'm gonna get a pesto chicken too. I'm gonna get me a little drink. I like the green drinks. Anything green.
Mango, banana, apple.
Kiwi, lime, apple, matcha, mango. What's this? Milk. What's it say? Oh, coconut milk. Ooh. Coconut milk, apple. What's this one?
Ginger.
Vitamin E. And then
Just vitamin and mineral.
you can't go wrong with mango, so I'm gonna get mango.
I hope this is good. And I would get something good right as I'm leaving.
Right. Okay, so we got the goods. Got my my pesto chicken style wrap. Wow, the car was never locked. So confession, I cannot drive. Well, I can drive legally. Yeah, but none of my friends make me drive. I have some driving skills.
Okay.
Y'all, this waist trainer is cutting into my boobs.
We love a skinny queen.
But you gotta
Don't cancel me for that. It's a joke.
I lost 17 pounds, y'all, because of depression. This one is the, which one's this one? The baby kale and hummus. Okay. Ooh. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. That was good.
Mm-hmm.
This is like a tomato wrap.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just try a bite and I'll try a bite. This one is the. That's better. The pesto chicken style. Wait. Ew. It looks good.
It looks like tuna low-key. Has a tuna texture too. Like a tuna salad texture. But it's good. It's the fuck good.
It's had more flavor.
We thought the first one was good.
I would give this one a 10 out of 10. And that one's like a 9.5.
I agree.
You want some?
Let's try it.
It's good. Yeah! It's been hitting today.
We're getting really lucky today.
Yeah, today was a good day. So, my best bitch, period, she is hosting a event in Frankfurt with the baddies. And I'm coming for more support, obviously. So this is the end of her segment. You guys, it's gonna be me now. So say bye to my people. Bye bye. So it's just me, y'all. here's what's on the agenda, y'all. So I got my nails already done yesterday. I got my feet done today. Went to go get some food, you know. Now I'm about to go home and just start clearing out my house. I just want like a fresh start. And also I'm unboxing some things for my lash company. So if you guys don't know, I do lashes. I'm working on doing my extension lashes and working on selling strips again. So I bought some things off Amazon. I want to, and from some private labels, and I wanted to unbox and show everybody what I got. So that's gonna be fun. I'm probably gonna touch up my hair and probably talk about like my weight loss too a little bit when I get home. Y'all, so I'm back at the house and I'm about to start unboxing some things from my lash business and also putting up my lash bed finally. I just want to show y'all my weight loss. So I lost 17 pounds in total. It's kind of like fluctuating, so I would say like 15 to 17. It just depends on the day. But to maintain my loss and maintain my snatchness, I put on these waist trainers. So I actually had this one in a medium originally because I bought the small and small didn't fit. So I got down to the small because I bought it in the medium, and then I got smaller. Now I could wear small, and then I'm gonna wear extra small in this maybe in a couple weeks if I can keep it up. So this actually has like the little clamp, so it has clamps all the way up to the top, and then it has one big zipper. And I like to put this one over it just for extra protection. Protection. Like extra just support, extra hold, because it's hard like keeping up with a shape. So like I've been saying, it's like my 8-hour shift, so I'm gonna wear this from 9 to 5 all day today. Because tomorrow I'm off to the city and I need to be snatched for the girls. I don't know where the other piece went. Oh, so here. So then have the other waist trainer on, then I put on this one, and then where's the paper cut? Stretch this. Stretch this like this, and then put this on. Okay, so first of all, I got my lash bed here that my good sis gave to me. Shay, if you're watching, love you lots. So I got most of my stuff from Shein, and well, most of like the prepping and everything from Shein. So I got 10 of these little bottles. I'm gonna use them to make some eyelash soap, and I bought a whole bunch of these. Then I bought this little container for a lot of the stuff I'm gonna put in here, like spoolies and like those little micro spoolies and my my tweezers. So yeah, I got that. I got some of these eyelash glue toppers, so like if the I don't know if you guys can see it, but if the top of the lash glue gets like tacky and you can't use it anymore, you have the replacement one. I got some spoolies. This is, so it's kind of like a saran wrap, but like a mini one. You use this when you're doing like lash removals. So like if someone wants to get their lashes removed, you'll put on like this kind of eye cream, and then you'll put this on their lash on the underneath and on top. And then whenever, I think it's like you wait 15 minutes or so, and then she slide right off. So I got that. I got this nano mister. This is good for after you finish doing your set. And I'll just take it out so y'all can see. So it's USB charged. And you put the water in here. Oh, it's on? Oh, okay. You put the water in here, and then you'll press the button, and the water will start coming out of this little silver hole right there. And it's supposed to like just re-moisturize your face because you've been sitting there on your back for 2 hours doing your lashes done. So I got that, which I need to charge this and start using this soon. You have to always have a lash fan. So I bought me a lash fan. This one's battery. Yeah, this is AA's. I'm considering bringing this with me when I go out of town because it'd be hot. I also bought these dental bibs. So these are good for, I have like this neck pillow I'm gonna show y'all soon. And I'm gonna put this on the neck pillow so like oils and dirt and stuff, like it's not gonna go on my pillow, it's gonna go on these disposable bibs. I got some little glue palettes. What else? A little mirror. Some more glue rings. Also bought this sterilizer. So basically when it closes, I'm gonna put some liquid inside here, barbicide, because it sterilizes stainless steel equipment. And I'm gonna put my tweezers and my other tools in there, and then I'll just leave it here so it can sterilize for however long I want them to. I got some of these eye pads. I got this to see underneath the lashes like this. I did get me some eyebrow scissors. And that's unrelated to my other stuff. And I got me some lip applicators. And this is gonna be used for, I can use it to prime the lashes. I'll put it in some primer and then just prime the lashes, or I'll use it for removal. This is, I know what this is. This is the fabric that's gonna go on top of my lash bed right here. Once I finally put it up. But it's just so they don't make a mess on the bed, of course. Got some lash glue. I got a little temperature thermometer. Some lash shampoo. These removals, these super small removers. I thought they were gonna be bigger than this, but they're not. So I kind of wasted my money, but that's fine. And lash primer. Lash bath brushes. Oh, let me show you my neck pillow. So this is my memory foam neck pillow. I wanted it in a pink, but I thought that like with my room and everything, because my room is mostly pink, that would have been crazy. And I agree. I feel like that would have been very crazy to do. I have it in a silver. I have it in a gray, and it's memory foam. It's supposed to be memory foam. It's not feeling like it's memory foam. But it feels good, it feels sturdy. I think that my clients, they wouldn't mind having this right here. Feels pretty good. So all that stuff's gonna go on top of this. And then I'm also gonna have my my lash cart, which I am in the works of buying. Then I have my little humidifier. I'm probably gonna put some good smells in here. Make sure the room's not too dry, because when you're doing lashes, how the room is, like the room's temperature and the room's moisture, all that stuff is gonna matter when you're applying lashes, because if you're at the wrong temperature or if you're at the wrong moisture in the room, then the lashes, they might not stay on, they might even fall off. So I'm supposed to be setting this up. It's just something in me is just like, I just don't feel like doing it right now. In my backyard, I have a shed. And I moved in here a year ago, and at the time when I was moving in, like all the boxes of like IKEA furniture, just furniture in general, I just put all the boxes in the shed. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that out and recycle the boxes and stuff. And then, so I can clear out my guest room. I want to put a guest bed in there eventually. Hey y'all, this is a really bad intro to the other part of the vlog that I forgot to tell y'all about, but we're in Frankfurt. Hold on, my screen. Okay, we're in Frankfurt at like a rooftop. It's called Hook Up. And we're here. My friend's getting paid for being a baddie. No. You can't see the ass, but it's there. It's there. No, we have the videos, we have the proof, we have the receipts. But yeah, girl. Oh, child. See that on Anywho's. Oh, I can show you the one. Okay. Anywho's, we're here. We're giving the girls what needs to be gave. Yeah, friend. Oh, yes, thank you. Serena just bought a whole bottle, y'all. And she's not drunk, so I don't know what's going on, but. I'm sorry? You love me? Love you too. Okay guys, we're back at the hotel. Ciao. I'm tired. That was the pregame. We were supposed to go to the club, but Netta wants to go sleep. So bye. So this vlog's gonna be very, very, very blotchy, like random cuts. But I'm actually home again. I got home a couple hours ago. I actually got home at like 9 o'clock in the morning. But it is 4:30. And it has been raining all day. And I was supposed to go and clean out my shed. And it has been raining literally all day. Thundering and all. So I can't go to my backyard to do anything right now. And it's pissing me off because I got things to do. Do I hear this? I got a skylight. So it's currently 11:15 and I honestly have nothing else to show. The rain finally stopped the next day. So the rain finally stopped and I finally got to clear out my shed. But shoot, this vlog is honestly kind of pointless. This weekend was good. You see that bump on my shoulder? This weekend was good, you know. Had a lot of fun moments and stuff, and I'm gonna try to do another weekly vlog soon so I can start being more consistent. But thanks for watching, y'all, and I'll see y'all next one.